wind turbine. It's not moving here today. The lighthouse was back there somewhere. It's a good walk, so I think I'm going to walk that. Let's see where we are. We're somewhere in here. I think the road, we're like right there, I think. And then we're going to walk down here. All right, let's go. Well, we're down here. The wind turbine is up there. It's not moving. And we got beautiful blue sea down here today. Yeah. I think it's 28th of September 2023, Thursday. We're in the last little island of Okinawa, pretty much the furthest south. Something going on down there, I don't know what that is. And we got some kind of a lighthouse out there and an observation deck, so we're going to move on and take a look at that. All right.
They're so soft. You alright?
Yep.
Hold on.
All right, thank you, thank you. All right, he's right here. Look at these guys here.
Yes.
We can pet them and everything nice and smooth. They like to be petted, probably.
They like their fancy hair.
Get him in the sun there. There he is.
Yes.
Eating all the little grass and mowing the lawn there for us and everything. Yeah, right here.
Watch your feet too, huh?
Here with the horses here. There we go. I don't know where the other one went. But this one's down here with us here. Here he is. We're right down in here with the horse. He's munching stuff down here. He's taking a bite. Really trimming that grass really good there. So you can hear him there. He's doing good there. Yeah, over down here. Let me get out of the way.
I did, but it's no problem. Yes.
We're climbing up this hill to the lighthouse here. There is a little breeze, which you might hear in the camera, which is nice. I don't have the spongy thing on, so you're going to hear the wind, but it feels good on this hot and humid day here. Yeah, I don't know if we can go up there. Probably not. Okay, here's the lighthouse up there. Can't go up though. And you got these old pillars all rusted out. That might have been the old barrier. Then we got this new one here. Shadow Man is down in there. All right, nice view. Our bus is way up there in the parking lot. So yeah, September 28th, 2023. I'm here at some point in one of the southernmost islands of Okinawa, and it's got a little breeze going. It's hot here. We saw some horses. We had a good show and everything there, so it was good. And nice view in back of me here. So we're going to go to a distillery next to see some of the local 120 proof stuff that they're going to make there. So, and one-man travel. If you like the videos, you need to subscribe. I could use subscribers. Trying to get to 1,000 here, so any help you could give me. Well, walking back down from up where we're up there by the lighthouse. Can't climb up it though, so it looks like low tide out there, because you could, it looks like, I don't know, corals or something growth down there. Maybe it's just a shallow area, I don't know. But getting back to the bus here. That observation tower is closed. We can't walk up in it for some reason. So, and yeah, we saw some of the horses. So I think that's all there is at this spot here. And picking them up, putting them down. Of course, Shadow Man making an appearance there. We always say hi to Shadow Man there. Yeah, okay. Let's get back on the track here. The other side of the point here, very nice. Got a good breeze blowing in back of me. Look at this panorama here. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. You know, the lookout tower way up there. So you could spend the whole afternoon here just walking around.